Hey there, YouTubers! Welcome to another episode of Coins with the Nut. Anyways, this here is basically one of my favorite coins. Anything with eagles or wolves is a must-buy for me. Because I love them both. Love wolves, love eagles. This is a 2015 Fine Silver Wolf. And I did show this a while back when I first got it, but there's a few of you out there that haven't seen it. So as I'm going through my collection, I figured I'd show it again. Here we go. It is a 2015 $20 5 silver coin wolf. And of course, this is a certificate of authenticity that the Royal Canadian Mint supplies you. And there it is, number 3,604 out of 7,500. Let's have a look here. Should have the specs on here, you would think. Here we are. She's a 99949 fine silver, 38 millimeters in diameter. Of course, 1 troy ounce, which is 31.39 grams. And it was designed by the Canadian artist Pierre Leduc, if I pronounce that right. Not sure. But anyways, it is a howling wolf. And of course, everybody knows that Susan Blunt did the portrait of the Queen, Her Majesty. So, and here is the coin. And guess what? Check it out. It's the wrong coin in the wrong box. It's the right tag. I better go get my money back. Actually, no. Actually, I must put the wrong coin in the wrong box by having a brain fart. Be right back with the right coin. Well, here we got a $20 1 ounce caribou coin. Something tells me this has got a wolf inside. At least I hope it does. Well, look at that. It's the howling wolf. Somehow I got the coins mixed up way back when. Nice, beautiful colorized coin. And that is it. My plan in this video was to show you the 2015 1 ounce wolf coin. But it looks like you got two for the price of one. What do you know? Price of one was free to look at anyway, so you guys got a deal. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe. And until next time, let's see what I can pull out of the box and see if it's in the right container. Cool stuff, folks. All right, everybody, take care. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.